Hey, what's happening, you guys? Here's my remote kill switch here I've been making for my daughter's power wheels. When I got it, it was broken. It didn't really have anything, and I need something to go a little bit further because I'm going to take her out in the field. So this is not really far, but it's a lot better than what it came with. Basically, it's an old boat there. It been used in the salt water. The motor seized up, but the electronics still work. It has its own battery and everything, charger and controller, so why not? And they're really cheap anyway. Right now I got it set up on a continuity test so that when the wires touch it makes a beep. And basically what we're going to do is just basically go like that, and that's going to make the connection. That'll shut the vehicle down and it won't work. And I can also use my adjuster here, and boom, that's it. So if I wanted to just not have to hold that, I can just use this also. Boom, then she can go play. So yeah, this is my remote kill switch that I made out of my old boat. Basically just put it on some white plastic, came out of one of the toys. I have these big long bolts from the L brackets that I left in there long in case anything happened, and so perfectly this fits in nice, just like that. Just put a little bolt on that, little lock bolt, and that sticks up nice and high. The antenna's there up high as possible out the back. Then I can take it out when I'm done. And the battery should still fit in there. There's plenty of space. So here's the setup. Go and give it a bit of gas, Jamie.
Lovely job.
Yeah. Remote kill switch done. Getting along, getting there. Got a few more other little bits to do, but that'll work for now. At least that way there. And once when I get the controller, the screen, the LCD screen to set up in the brakes here, once I can get into the BLDC, I'll set it so that there's auto brakes. Hopefully I can do that. If not, I'm going to have to make some sort of brakes. If not, just let her rip on the fields. So yeah, and this is just set up with a quick bolt here. It's just one quick bolt. Just pull that out, and I can take this out, get to my battery, undo that, boom, and just put this back. Just get this back in there. Back on there. This is only going to be temporary because my daughter's young. Once she gets a bit older, this will all come back off. And that's it. And basically, once that's set up, I just take the battery bag, stuff the battery in there. That'll go in the back, just like that. out of that. And, just something like that. Done. All hidden away nice and clean. So yeah, basically this is going to be the final setup. I've got some charging wires to hook up here and some different charging ports, but I'm not really worried about that just yet. This is a fireproof bag because it's much more unsafe battery. Well, not unsafe, but they're not as safe as the lead battery, so that's why I don't have one for this. I'm not really bothered about the lead one. It's gonna have a fuse right at the top of right at the connection point here, so if anything happens, this will just pop here. Pause it. So yeah, I've got these two different fuse setups. This is kind of what I was just gonna make. I was just gonna make a fuse block that just connected into that, and then you just put a regular fuse into it, and then from off of there. So it'd be really close where it couldn't really short out with any grounds. There's no way possible it could short out, and if it did, it's the closest point to the battery will just pop the fuse. And then I've got this other one, which is a 15 amp, which I'm sure is more than enough to run everything I need, and it's a break one. So you take this, I could just press that in, and then I ain't got to change the fuse. So I might just use this one, and I'll just have this one in the wire as close as possible, like down here somewhere, tucked in the side, like that, out the way, and then that'll be my new feed coming to this wire. And yeah, so basically once all that's in, everything just pretty much just slides in all nice and neat, just like that. Two little screws down here to hold it, and this everything's packed away. That's pretty much it. Remote switch done. I just got to get the LCD screens, like I said, and program the BLDC motor controllers to have auto brake, so when you slow down, it stops. It's gonna stop automatically. Yeah, basically I just took the oil lights off the hoverboards, covered them with tape, traced around the edge with the pencil, cut it out, stuck it on, and yeah, I just got it temporarily set up on the back. Yeah, I'm gonna have these all set up on switches, but that looks kind of like the scoop up in the foot spoiler there. It fit really good. It's got that sleek lines to it.